East side
Pushing east, pushing east, east.
Yeah, we good, bro.
Defend now. Okay, they miss. Keep pushing east. Okay, we're going to engage east in 5, east in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's big, boys. It's big. East. Hit this shit. Holy shit. Then push east. Keep pushing east. Brawl.
Guys, they're breaking OC.
Spread and brawl. Keep pushing southeast, boys. Keep pushing southeast.
Careful, they can look back.
Ready potions when they look, Ready potions when they look. Keep pushing northeast, boys. East. Find the ping of frost tiles. Keep pushing east. Keep pushing east. Layo nyo. Keep pushing east. Okay, we're going to hit northeast. Hold. Live pa ng DPS ko. Okay, hold them. Bitangs, hold them. Okay, look north in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's the clamp. Hit the shit. Then brawl. Come east, northeast again.
Careful, they can look back.
Saan nyo? Keep pushing northeast. Sige lang, D-tanks, hold them. Hold them. Chain CC them.
On ping.
7.3 sa akin. Use your boots, DPS. Use your boots. Keep using your boots. Sige lang, hold them.
Yeah, bro, just push. We're pushing.
Okay. Andiyan ka ba, Zoro? Andiyan ka na ba? Wala pa. Low.
Dane, yung southeast.
Keep pushing.
Mahali ka. Straight south mo, mahali ka.
Okay, come north. Hold. Keep rolling. Come north. Guardians naman sa bedrock. Low, putang na, please. Low. Go, come north. Nag-engage.
Pakiharap niya mahali ka.
Come northwest. Ride the hold.
East side.
Bilang, keep pushing northwest.
Abot ng gate.
Hitangs, hold them, please. Hold them. Okay, hold. Okay, look northwest in 5. Hold, puta ka na bap. Hold. Okay, northwest deep in 5. Northwest deep in 4. In 3, 2, in 1. Oh my god, yung nag-aircon. Puta ka na. Bobo. Oh, come north. Def now, then brawl.
Nandito na ako.
Okay.
Doon sila northeast.
Yung perma. Yan, perma. Patay nyo.
He's spreading now.
Nasa east na, boss.
Demounting.
Triple running now.
Yeah, they're running.
GGRL.
Nasaan yung Marley ka?
QQ ball.
Wala na kayo na.
To cross.
GGRL.
Dumaan ng attack.
Gold na ba yan? May Harley ka?
Putang ina, nice buff bro.
Get nyo yung
Wala ko may-
charges.
Wala ko may balak.